So let's talk about true. We talk about plumb, level, square. Everybody gets plumb, level, square. But when it comes to true, you're like, what do you mean by true? Are the jambs true to each other? Meaning like this jamb, you set this nice and level, you get this plumb, you start looking at square. But if I have a wall condition that's pushing out this jamb, or pushing in this jamb, and this one's out, you want to make sure that this jamb and this jamb are in the same plane, that they're true to one another. Easiest way to do it, throw a string on it. And then you can see in the middle, if it's touching, it's true. If there's a space in there, one side or the other needs to be adjusted so both jambs are true to one another. So this is a good practice when it comes to having your windows and doors true.